Hi guys, are you all able to hear me and see me? Very warm welcome to each and every one of you guys. If you are all able to hear me and see me well, give me a thumbs up in the chat. Hi Kiran, hi Saurabh, hi Dilip, welcome man. Ankit is also here. Very warm welcome to each and every one of you. So awesome to see everybody here. And today, as I said, we are going to do limits problem solving. So today we are going to hone our skills. Whatever we learned yesterday, we are going to sharpen it and we are going to get better at this particular topic. So are you all excited? Are you guys ready for it? Hi Hitesh, Sai Bhargav, Uncharted, very good afternoon. Welcome. Banu, welcome man. Ashish Swain, welcome. Shrivani is also here. Awesome. Topic for next mentee will be, after algebra, I will switch to calculus. I will let you guys know because a lot of people are asking me to start calculus, so we can go for it. Okay, exactly Kiran. So today we'll look at limits problem solving. But before that, I want to quickly introduce myself for all those who are coming here for the first time. For all those, okay, I think I did something. 1 second, guys. Okay. And then yep, that's about it. Yeah. The next topic we will do continuity, guys. Okay, so tomorrow and the day after we will do continuity, then we'll go to differentiability, and then I will do a little bit of 11th standard portion as well, which is permutation and combination. Okay. Yes, Misha, next week we will start with PNC, and as I said, every week one topic will be from 11th standard. Even this week we did that because limits is actually 11th standard topic. Okay. So Shirvani, I'm not going to keep one single chapter mentee. So what I usually do is I combine 4 or 5 chapters and keep mentee quizzes. So if you see today, we had PNC, probability, matrices and determinants. Likewise, the next mentee session will have at least 3-4 chapters together, and I will keep the session probably on Tuesday at 11 AM. Okay. So today we'll do problem solving. Hi Mashkoor Hamid, welcome man. Okay. Yes, today we'll do problem solving, guys. Before we get into it, I'll quickly introduce myself. So my name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a math master teacher here at Vedantu. I've been teaching for almost 7 years, guys, mentoring more than 10,000 plus wonderful students like all of you. And when I was like you guys, I too prepared for exams like JEE Mains, KVPY, NTSA and all that, and I cleared all of them. So this is my years of experience and this is the college where I studied. So my background is a BTech in IIT Madras and I'm basically from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And like I said, I wrote the JEE Mains and I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. So if you guys want to get in touch with me, get closer to me, you can reach out on my Instagram ID. I'm quite active there, so I can get back to all your doubts and questions if you guys have any. Okay. Hi Asmi, welcome. So guys, this is the most important slide. So please do like it, share it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't, because that would mean a lot to us and it would encourage us beyond measure. So do spread the word. I'm sure you guys will learn great content at this channel under the guidance of expert teachers. We have Wasim Sir for chemistry, we have Shreyas Sir for physics, and you also have me for maths. So if you guys are very excited about this channel, then definitely spread the word as well. Okay. Yes, Gurunathan, I speak Tamil because like I said, I am from Chennai, so I am very fluent in Tamil. Okay. KVPY tough or simple? I would say it is on the tougher side only, Matthew. I would say it is the exam which is on the tougher side. But guys, please try to solve this question. Okay, everybody please try to solve this question. And What about Wazim sir? He is all right, Banu. So he will be taking a session today at 5:30. So please mark your calendars and be there at 5:30 sharp. Yes, Satyam. We will try to discuss the topics in detail. We will try to do that. Like I said, because your JEE Mains exam is quick approaching, that is why we decided to go like this. But don't worry, I will try to do everything in detail as well. Okay? Yes, Asmi, Shreyas sir has told you. Okay, great. We will come up with a lot of great plans. But for that, guys, you need to bring people here. You need to bring your friends, spread the word, and that would mean a lot to us. Okay? Hi, Ardik. Sukda Baruna, welcome. Shirvani has done it. Uncharted has done it. When is JEE Main? Gurunathan, it is supposed to be on February, I guess. Because that is what the NTA has said. It will most probably be in February. Okay? Perfect. Guys, what about one-shot series? Will you guys be interested to cover one chapter in one go, maybe in 2 hours, like that? Will you guys be excited about it? Devil Kiran Kumar says yes. Saurabh says no. Satyam says no. Shiva says yes. Pinky says excited, sir. Yes, Matthew, of course, there will be a second attempt as well. Exactly. So, Misha and others saying no. Guys, it will not be a 1 hour session. It might be, let's say, for 3 hours in one go. We will complete one full chapter. For example, I can start off with application of derivatives and I will complete the entire chapter right from basics in 3 hours. So that is what we mean by one shot. I'm sure you might have seen it in Vedantu's JEE channel. Yeah? So if we do that, will you guys be interested? Like, yup, 3 to 4 hours. 4 hours means by the end of 4 hours, I'll be flat, man. I'll fall down by the end of 4 hours. Okay. 3 hours minimum, then I'm excited. Okay, we'll plan it out. I'll let you guys know. Lot of things in store. We need to plan KVPY as well. We need to plan the one-shot series. So let's see if we can do it. Asmi is like 6 hours. I think Asmi doesn't want to see me anymore. She's giving ideas for getting rid of me. Okay. So let's try to solve this question, guys. Many of you are saying option C, but guys, the answer is none of these. It is option D. Okay. Option D is the right answer. It is not C. Okay. As a non-med student, shall I give KVPY? Of course, Uncharted. I was also a non-med student when I was studying 5-6 years back. So that time also I gave KVPY. So it is for everybody. It is for everybody. So you can do it. Okay. But the only thing is, if you join an engineering program, you cannot avail the benefits. That's the only drawback. Okay. But still people do it because it is very prestigious. You can say that you're a KVPY scholar. And when you apply for jobs, when you apply for a research internship, that it matters a lot. Okay. Perfect. So let's get started. So how I do this is, guys, first of all, if I look at my left-hand limit, do you guys agree that it will be plus infinity? And if I look at my right-hand limit, do you guys agree it will be minus infinity? So they both are not equal, therefore limit does not exist. As simple as that. Because when I say 2 minus, you can say x is 1.999. When I say 2 plus, x is 2.0111, like that. So this will be slightly negative denominator. Here this denominator will be slightly positive, but very close to 0. So 5 divided by a very small number tends to infinity. 5 divided by a very small negative number tends to minus infinity. So your LHL is plus infinity, RHL is minus infinity. So LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, limit does not exist. Are you all clear with that? So please don't make this mistake, guys, ever again. I don't want anyone making this conceptual error ever in their lives again. Okay? Are you all clear with it, guys? So shall I move forward? Exactly, Bhumina Darshan. But you have to pay attention to the sign also, Bhumina Darshan. Okay? You need to pay attention to the sign. Whether it is positive or negative, all that should be taken care. Sir, if x is approaching 2, then x should be less than 2. No, that is for left hand limit uncharted. Come on. Right hand limit, x will be greater than 2. X can approach 2 from both the sides, na? X can get approached by both the sides. You should be aware of it. Kiran, why man? You have such a good name, Kiran. Why do you want to use that? Banu Prakash, did you get scholarship in KVBY? See, I got the fellowship. I cleared the exam. But you don't get the awards because I chose engineering, right? I studied in IIT Madras. So I don't get the benefits. Okay? Yes, yes, Lohit. Lohit, yes, yes. If both are equal and equal to infinity, you will say limit is tending to infinity. Yes, you can say that. Yup. Lohit, that's a very common question which people ask. Okay, so you can say that limit tends to infinity. That's it. So this is the next question. Can you all please do it? I want to be in your memories that some guys was there as devil. Okay, great. You can do something. So many good things you can do, man, to get into memory of me. So as you will, man, don't worry. Just put in the right amount of effort and hard work. You will be there. Okay? Everybody is not paying attention at all. You guys are all just going for it. You guys are all just going for it. Come on, guys, it's not correct. What you said is not right. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. Look at the limit, man. Look at, see, it is limit extending to infinity, na? Why will I ask such a laddu question? Come on. I am not teaching you NCRT here. Okay? If I ask you NCRT, maybe I'll ask that. But this is a JEE channel, guys. Okay? So I'm gonna give you some good questions, slightly complicated ones, slightly tricky ones. Srinidhi, no Srinidhi, we are just getting started. This is the second question for the day. Okay? This is the second question for the day. So the answer is going to be 0. Why is it 0? Because, see, what you guys have answered now, you guys have thought this. Just because you see sin x by x, don't always think it is 1. Only when x tends to 0, it is 1. Only when x tends to 0, it is 1. Don't always jump and say that it is going to be 1 for everything. No. So you have to be a bit careful, guys. Okay, you have to be cautious when you handle questions of this sort. Pay attention to the limit condition which is given over here. So as you guys can see, the limit x tends to infinity is given. So when you do that, this is a value between -1 to 1, whereas denominator is very, very large. Denominator is infinity. So the answer is a finite number between -1 to 1 divided by infinity is 0. That's it. As simple as that. Lohit is right. Absolutely. Very good, Lohit. That's correct. Okay, Bhumina Darshan. I hope you guys got it. Okay? Okay, Satyam. I got it. Perfect. So, shall we move forward? Exactly, Pinky. That's correct. Shrivani, every week we will do one chapter. For example, next week we will do PNC. But if you want me to teach in detail, you'll have to wait for some time because I first want to complete your 12th standard sprint so that your 12th students are all comfortable with it. Okay? And I will do some one-shot series because one-shot series I will cover everything in detail. For example, see, I take 3 or 4 classes, right, normally for one chapter in the flash series. So each of them is 1 hour. So effectively it is 3 hours, right? So those 3 hours I'm going to do it in one shot. So one shot series will be the same Misha Bharti, okay? So don't worry about it. It will definitely help you. But we will plan it out because I will not be able to do it frequently, guys. 3 hours is not that easy in YouTube. You will be exhausted after it. Okay. So let's move forward. Let's go to the next one. The next question. Before we see that, guys, if you are all happy with the Vedantu JEE channel, Vedantu Enthuse channel, and if you guys feel Vedantu is doing a great job, then you have to definitely check the pro subscription that Vedantu offers, because guys, if the YouTube content is mesmerizing you, then imagine the Vedantu's content in the internal batches. Vedantu has produced amazing toppers. Last year we had All India rank 38, All India rank 41 in the first year of full-time teaching toppers. And this year we have All India rank 43. In advance, I'm saying. That is not a simple feat, guys. For an online company which came full-fledged 2-3 years back, and we are producing such top ranks, that shows the level of content and the level of teaching. We have 20 plus teachers with 5 plus years of teaching toppers. We have content in English as well as Hindi. And you have micro courses, crash courses for every single topic, and you guys can make the best use of it. Okay? And like I said, you have 5,000 plus hours of live online content. You guys can come check it out and make the best use of it. So shall we proceed? Yep. Okay, so this is the JEE Pro Subscription Price for the 2021 batch. You have a 20% discount. You have 2022 batch and the droppers batch as well. You look at the per day price. Per day price is nothing compared to any other organized coaching institute. Any other, you can name it, and I'm sure this price will beat it hands down. And if you use the coupon code, you get a 20% offer as well. So definitely take this and make the best use of it. Guys, I'm saying this for a fact because, see, I have seen the people, right? I've seen people improving like anything. I've seen the teachers helping students beyond their measure. We have WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, 40-50 students with one teacher, and every day we are getting advices from them, you are getting assignments from them, you are getting motivated by them. So that is a very nice process. And the classes at Vedantu are not like, they are not like your Zoom classes. So Vedantu has its own platform. Isn't that amazing? The Vedantu tech team has tech people from IIT Bombay. So most of our technical team members are all from IIT Bombay. Everybody might be thinking, sir, Vedantu is a coaching institute. Why will you hire people from IIT Bombay? Because we are such a company, guys. We do a lot of tech work. Yeah, you just check it out. You check the website. All of it is done by our own people. And you know what is the best part? The people who are working in the tech team, right? They were all students of AP Sir, Pulkit Sir and Vamsi Sir. Isn't that great? So AP Sir, Vamsi Sir and Pulkit Sir have been teaching for almost 15-20 years now. So they have immense expertise. All of them are, brilliant in their own field. AP Sir is known for producing toppers. He has guided so many students to top ranks. So if you guys are interested, then definitely don't miss this chance, because I told you so much in Diwali and the sale is gone now. Likewise, I'm saying here also, 20% is a good deal. And if you guys are having the slightest intention of buying, my assurance is there, go for it. Okay? But otherwise, we are at JEE Enthuse to help you. I will definitely take care of you guys as long as you are here. But the reason why I keep saying this is because you get test series, guys. See, teaching is one part and you attending sessions is another part. But where are you validated? How do I know that Asmi, that Darshan, that Uncharted, that Kirito is doing well? How do I know that? Unless I validate you, I can never know where you stand. Maybe I'll teach you, you guys will say it was good, but after that it is over. So only if you take a test, only if you do assignments, only if you are constantly engaged, you will see the real benefit of an online platform. Okay, so that is why we keep saying that every session. Some of you might be bored. You'll be saying, sir, don't start saying about courses, sir. But because I want you to realize it. Okay, so yeah, next question, please do it, guys, all of you. Okay, everybody please do it. Will you take classes in the Pro subscription? Yes, Trisha, next year I will. This year I am currently taking the toppers batches. So there are two toppers batch, one is elite and one is the topper normal. We have two toppers batches because we want to train students at their level. Okay, so the first batch is taken by Surendra Sir, who is an expert in math. I'm sure some of you might be seeing him. Suhas was telling me that Surendra Sir teaches in KVPY batch. So he must be enjoying his sessions. Similarly, the topper normal batch I handle. But next year mostly I will try to take some of the Pro subscription classes so that I can interact with you guys. I want that as well. So let's see. Mostly I will. Okay. Sir, in JEE and NEET, why physics and chemistry? Because ask me, in NEET you need chemistry. When you study biology, biology is basically a lot of processes inside our body, right? You study biochemistry, a lot of organic chemistry is involved. So that is why you see chemistry being there. You might ask why physics is there, because physics also is used. Physics also is used for designing the instruments and for measuring a lot of processes and cycles that happen inside our body. So that is why they want physics and chemistry. Mathematics is not included because physics takes care of it. Okay, physics takes care of it. So shall we move forward? Yup. Can I solve this question? But I love only physics and maths. Okay. But actually chemistry is the easiest out of the three. That's what I felt. So when I wrote JEE Mains, I got 105 in chemistry, 99 in physics and 96 in maths. It was out of 300. So out of 360, sorry. Yeah. So I got the highest in chemistry because chemistry is easy, guys, actually. And I got the lowest in maths. But I teach maths. Okay. So that's about my background. So now coming to this question, let's try to have a look at it. Okay. So what do we have here? So we have to find out this limit. So what I'll do first is, guys, first I will directly put 5. So if I put 5, what will I get? Can you guys tell me? If I directly put 5, do you guys understand what will happen? You will get 0 by 0. Isn't that right? You will get 0 by 0. Are you all clear with it? Yup. So whenever I encounter 0 by 0, that is called as an indeterminate form. So if you have an indeterminate form, what will you do? You will use L'Hopital, L-Hospital method. So what does the L-Hospital method say? Differentiate your numerator, which will be f of 5 minus 5f dash of x divided by derivative of denominator is 1. Now put the same one. So the answer is f of 5 minus 5f dash of 5. So the answer is 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 28. Guys, I taught you all this. I taught you all this in yesterday's class. Come on. I differentiated uncharted. Derivative of x is 1, na? Because f of 5 is a constant, man. No, Matthew, f of 5 is a constant. Come on, guys. F of 5 is a constant. Why will I use product rule? Product rule you will use only when both are varying, na? Are you guys able to understand that? Here both are not varying, man. Only x is varying. So I can directly differentiate it. Okay, Matthew, did you understand it? Satyam, did you get it? So this is the L'Hopital rule which I taught you yesterday. Very important, makes your job very easy, quick and simple. So shall we proceed forward, guys? Are you all ready for the next one? Quotient rule, no Jagadish, I told you L'Hopital, you differentiate your numerator separately and you differentiate your denominator separately. That is what L'Hopital says. L'Hopital does not have quotient rule. Okay, I told that also in yesterday's class. Guys, if you missed out, please watch it. Okay, it is just a 1 hour session. it will be useful for you. Please watch it. It will definitely help you get your concepts right. Shreya, what is the doubt, Shreya? Shreya, what I did was, I directly first substituted Shreya. I put x as 5. So if I put x as 5, I will get 5 f of 5 minus 5 f of 5 by 5 minus 5, which is 0 by 0, Shreya. And whenever I encounter 0 by 0, that is called as an indeterminate form. So that indeterminate form can be solved by L'Hopital rule, which says that differentiate your numerator and differentiate your denominator and then apply the same limit. So if I differentiate x f of 5, it is just f of 5 because this is the variable. So it is like kx. Derivative of kx is what? K, right? So this k is only f of 5 because f of 5 is a number. It's a constant. So directly if you differentiate that, you will get only the constant, which is f of 5 minus 5 times of f dash of x divided by derivative of this is 1 over, now apply 5, get the answer. Okay, Asmi, don't worry. Like I said, these are all sprint sessions. Don't worry too much. If you are able to solve it within 3 or 4 minutes, it's still good. Okay, right now focus on accuracy. Don't worry about time. We will get speed with practice. Okay, if you keep practicing, you will improve definitely. Yes, Bhumina Darshan, let's see. I too want you to be right. Let's see if you guys can crack it. So this is the next question. I have given you f of x and I want you to find f of minus 2. Okay, so f of x is given ax plus b by x plus 1. Limit extending to infinity f of x is given, that is 1. And limit extending to 0 f of x is given, that is 2. So now try to solve it. Okay, you have a lot of time, Asmi, then. Yeah, so don't worry about it. By the time you are in 11th, you will be super fast. But just be consistent, keep working, don't give up ever. That's what Naruto says. Never give up. Okay? Yes, Dhanush, I have seen it in college, man. In IIT Madras, when you have free time, you get to see and hear all this. Okay. So everybody says A, and you know what, guys, you are right. All of you are absolutely right because it is in fact A which is the right answer. So how do you write or how do you come to this conclusion? So first of all, let's understand limit extending to infinity f of x. What does it mean? So when I have extending to infinity, what I'll do is I will divide numerator and denominator by x. I will divide numerator and denominator by x. And this is limit extending to infinity. So this will be 0, this will be 0. So do you guys agree it is A? And A is equal to 1. Got it? So that is how you find A. Are you all clear with it, guys? Then how do you find B? B is limit extending to 0, f of x, which is ax plus b by x plus 1. This you can directly substitute. X is 0, you will get b by 1. Because a into 0 plus b into 1 by 0 plus 1, which will be b, and that is equal to 2. So I got a, I got b. So what is f of x? F of x is equal to x plus 2 by x plus 1. So that is f of x. Now we want f of minus 2. So what is f of minus 2? F of minus 2 is minus 2 plus 2 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So that will be equal to 0. So that is why 0 is the answer. I hope you guys have got it. Are you all clear with it? Are you guys able to understand, everybody? Yup. Very good, very good. Yes, Asmi, take care. Okay, so let's move forward, guys, to the next one. Yes, next question. So next question is over here. Please try to solve it. So I'm trying to cover all the forms that are required for you guys. Okay, this is the next form which I'm going to teach you. Try to solve it and then we will do it together. Okay, how's the rain? Manju has asked. Manju, are you from Chennai? So guys, it is raining heavily in Chennai. It is raining very heavily in Chennai. Oh, okay. So you are Archana. So that is why I was thinking, where is Archana? Finally, you are here. Great. So yeah, Chennai, there is very heavy rainfall, guys, because of some cyclone. So there is a cyclone which is passing and you may not be able to hear the sound because I am in a studio, but outside it is very heavy rainfall. So outside my street and all, there is water up to your leg level. Exactly, Pinky, you are right. So Pinky is absolutely right, guys, because this is 0 into infinity form. So how do you solve 0 into infinity form? You guys think about it and then do it. Okay? You guys think about it and solve it. Stay safe. Come to Hyderabad. So as Hyderabad also was in a very bad state 2-3 weeks back. But I guess Hyderabad is better now. Yes, Siva, I am in Chennai, man. So I was in Hyderabad a few months back, like 1 or 2 months back. Now it's cool. Okay, great. So I used to stay in a place called Kukatpalli. Is that close by? Okay guys, so let's get started. So this is x into ln of x. So how do we solve this question? Okay, so let's try to understand this, how to solve this question. First of all, I want to convert it to a form which I know already. So can I guys write it as ln of sin x by 1 by x? Are you guys cool with that? Are you guys cool with that? Yes, because if I write it like this, this will be infinity by infinity form. Don't worry about plus or minus sign, because I know some of you might be saying, sir, shouldn't you put a minus sign? Yes, I do agree, but it's not necessary because I'm just figuring out what form it is. I'm just figuring out what form it is. So do you all agree it is infinity by infinity form? Why, sir? Because if I put 0, it is ln of sin 0. ln of sin 0 tends to, this one tends to 0. So ln of 0 is minus infinity and 1 by 0 is infinity. So it will be infinity by infinity form. Are you all clear with that? Okay, cool. So if it is infinity by infinity form, how can I solve it? I can solve it by your famous L'Hopital, because L'Hopital is allowed for both infinity by infinity as well as 0 by 0. So if I use L'Hopital, what will I get? ln of sin x derivative is 1 by sin x into cos x. And if I differentiate this, what will I get? I will get minus 1 by x square. So it will be x square into minus 1. Now I'll put limit x tending to 0. So I can solve it because it will be x by sin x into x cos x by minus 1. Okay. So now this is 1. Do you all agree? Because limit x tending to 0, sin x by x is 1. That is what you guys are all saying, no? In the first question. Sin x by x when x tends to 0 is 1. And this is 0 into 1 divided by minus 1, which will be 0. So the answer is 0. Okay, are you guys clear with it? Everybody? Okay, Ishant, I hope now you got it and you're able to get how they have done it. Yes? If you guys have any doubts, feel free to ask. Okay, I'll try to help you out. So if you're all done, then let's move forward. Let's go to the next question. Yeah? Perfect, guys. Awesome. So this is how you do 0 into infinity form, okay? VSG, you don't check LHL here because if you take LHL, the function is itself not defined. So we check only RHL. Understood? Because LHL, man, 0 minus if you say 0 minus, then how will it be different? How will it be defined? Because we have log, na, VSG. We have log, na? Log should be defined. Only then you can check it. Otherwise, there's no point. So that is why I don't check LHL. I just check the RHL and I'm done with it. Clear? Did you understand why I did that? Does ln mean log to the base e? Absolutely, Darshan. Absolutely. VSG, did you get it? I hope you are clear. If not, please let me know. I will help you out. Okay? Okay, done. So this is the solution. You guys can go through it. I will give you the session PDF after the class. ln 0 is equal to -1 or +1. Guys, ln 0 is not defined, but ln tending to 0 is minus infinity Shakti. Shakti, ln 0 is not defined, but if you have ln something tending to 0, it will be minus infinity. Got it? Yes, Pinky, you are right. Even in Cyclone, you have a haircut. No, yeah, man, I went to cut my hair, I think 2 days back, before the cyclone came. Yeah. Can you give the link of Telegram? It will be there in the description, Niyaz Ahmed. Okay, so it will be available to you right after the session. What is greatest integer function? Dhanush. So greatest integer function will give you the integer part of something. So if you say GIF of 2.5, it will give you 2. GIF of 2.77 will also give you 2. GIF of -1.5 will give you -2. Okay, it is the greatest integer less than or equal to the given number inside. So what is the greatest integer less than or equal to 2.5? It is 2. What is the greatest integer less than or equal to 2.77? It is also 2. What is the greatest integer lesser than or equal to -1.5? It is -2. Don't tell -1, okay? Because -1 is greater than this. I said lesser than. Okay, I hope you guys got it. So yeah, let's try to do this question. Guys, it is not as difficult as it looks. Yes, Ishan, you are absolutely right. Ishant is absolutely right. Shrivani says -1. And is that correct? Nope. I think the answer is 0, guys. I think the answer is 0. Okay, it should be B. I will show you how it is done. Kiran is right. Kunal Chaudhary saying, sir, आज maths का exam था school में पर trigonometry solve नहीं हो पाई. Okay, I understood that. I'm low-key proud of it. But Kunal, don't worry, man. We will come to trigonometry in a short while. But what happened? Did you not prepare for it or what? Trigonometry, we will look at it in detail, guys. I know a lot of people find trigonometry very hard to follow, but it is actually simple. You just need to put some effort and show it some love. Okay? So try to spend some time. You guys will be able to crack it. Got it? So we will come to trigonometry, Kunal, maybe in 2 weeks' time. Okay? So there I will discuss and I'll make sure you regain your confidence in that chapter. So now coming to this question, I want to look at limit x tending to 0 minus f of x. What is 0 minus f of x? 0 minus f of x means this function, because this is only for 0. So if I use that function, I have sine of 1 plus box of x divided by box of x. So if it is 0 minus, that means x will take values like 0.0000001. So box of x will be equal to what? Box of x will be -1. How many of you understood this? So this will be what? Sine of 1 minus 1 divided by -1, which is sine 0 by -1, which is 0. So that is why the answer is 0. So whenever x tends to 0 minus, box of x is going to be -1. Tattva also you solved. Okay, after solving Tattva also, if it is difficult, then I think it's a good exam. Is it CBSE or your coaching institute, man? If it is CBSE, I think Tattva should have taken care of it. Tattva is actually very good. Don't worry, if you want to clarify your doubts, message me in Instagram, man. I'll try to help you out. I will see what went wrong, what could have been done. Okay? You know my Instagram ID, you can message me. Yes, Vanakkam RS needs soccer. Sir, your lectures are enough to crack JEE 2021. Siva, if you are working a lot on your own, it is enough. But if you are not working on your own, if you are just relying on listening to these lectures, then absolutely no. Absolutely no. Okay, this is not enough. If you guys are working a lot on your own, solving tattva, solving textbooks, previous year's papers on your own, then it is great. Then this should be enough. But if you're not doing it, please join the Pro subscription, because there we will give you assignments, we will keep tests, and we will track your progress. Okay. Banu, Tattva is the Vedantu assignments and Vedantu notes. It was designed by Anand Sir, Vamsi Sir and Pulkit Sir back when they were teaching in Punjab. Okay. So it is very, very good, very beautifully designed, and you get it when you take the Pro subscription. Okay. If you solve Tattva fully, you might get a top 100 rank, I can assure you. Because I think Prakar was from Punjab. He solved Tattva almost completely and he got a rank of 177 in IIT Advance. So if you guys also can do that on your own, then great. You guys will get a very good rank because of it. Sir, you understand Hindi? Yes. I stayed in Bangalore and I was studying in IIT Madras. So I do understand Hindi, but I can't speak. I can speak a little bit, but I make a lot of grammatical errors. So if you listen, you will probably find out that I don't know Hindi. Okay. Speak one word in Tamil. Nalla irukkiya Hariharan. Okay. So guys, shall we move forward? Yes. Let's go ahead. Let's go to the next question and have a look at it. Please try to solve this. Very simple. Malayalam. I don't know, man. I'll try. Matthew Sugamano. Okay. So guys, move forward and try to solve this question. NIT JEE is good. Absolutely, Dhanush. It is one of the best colleges in South India. At last, you have to tell a sentence is in Hindi. Okay. Hitesh is saying C. Srinidhi is saying C. Sai Bhargav is saying C. Okay, great. Guys, you're all right. Because C is the correct answer. Okay. So, how do you find 3 minus? 3 minus means you will choose this one. Okay. So, limit f x tending to 3 minus f of x will be equal to what? It will be x square minus 3. So if I put 3 here, I'll get 9 minus 3, which is 6. And for this one, what will I get? X tending to 3 plus. X tending to 3 plus. 3 plus means I'll use this function. So it will be 2x plus 5. So it will be 2 into 3 plus 5, which will be 11. So the roots are 6 and 11. The roots are 6 and 11. So how do you form the quadratic equation? X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. So it will be x square minus 17x plus 66 is equal to 0. How I got 17? 6 plus 11 is 17. How I got 66? 6 into 11 is 66. Got it? So that is how we do it. Are you all clear? Yes. So shall we move ahead, guys? All of you? Perfect. So let's move forward. Let's go ahead and try to have a look at what else we have. Okay, so this is the next question. All of you try to do it. Again, a very interesting question. It was asked in JEE 2003. Long time back, but still you guys can try it. It is a good question. I want Tattva, but I don't have Pro. Dhanush, you can take the 1 month subscription, Dhanush. Okay. And Suhas is saying that it is for free. So you can ask Suhas where you can get it and maybe try to solve it, because Tattva is very good. I would recommend you to get that. Either do Tattva or do Cengage. Both of them are very good. Okay, Abdullah, that is awesome, man. So Mohammed Abdullah has got a free subscription at Vedantu because of the VSAT exam. So if you guys are interested, then definitely do try to write the VSAT and you can get a free access to the subscription for a while. Give us a common name like soldiers. Okay. Come on, my soldiers. Oh man, that sounds so fake. Okay, but sir, material is available or not? Sugdha Baruna has written it this week. Srinidhi is solving sincerely. I don't know others, what are you guys doing? So let's try to do it, guys. Let's try to solve it. So what do we have here? We have limit h tending to 0, this particular expression, and we are given f dash of 1 and we are given f dash of 2. So first of all, when I directly put h as 0, what will I get? I'll get f of 2 minus f of 2 by f of 1 minus f of 1. So it is 0 by 0 form. So whenever it is 0 by 0 form, can I, okay, whenever it is 0 by 0 form, can I use L'Hopital? Yes, I will figure out a name and next week I'll let you guys know. I'll think about it. Okay. Something which I am comfortable with. Okay. So can I apply L'Hopital? So when I apply L'Hopital, what will happen? So when I apply L'Hopital, I can differentiate my numerator and my denominator. So when I differentiate my numerator, what will I get? F dash of 2h plus 2 plus h square into chain rule. This I have to differentiate. That will be 2h plus 2. And then minus f of 2 divided by, here you will have f dash of h minus h square plus 1. And then derivative of this will be 1 minus 2h minus f of 1. But f of 2 derivative will be 0. So you don't write that. And this also will be 0 when I differentiate it. Okay. When I differentiate it, it will be 0. Are you guys clear? Yeah. So now put h is equal to 0. If I put h equal to 0, what will I get? I'll get f dash of 2 into 2 divided by f dash of 1 into minus 1, right? Into 1 only, into 1. So this will be 2 into 6 by 4, which will be equal to 3. So 3 is the answer, which is option A. Are you guys clear with it? Did you guys like it? Yeah? Definitely, Mohammed, I will let you know for sure. Okay? Yes, Manju. Archana, I will come up with a good name, don't worry. Avengers. Yes, Kiran, I will do my homework. You guys do yours, that is more important. So shall we proceed, guys? Yeah, Sugdha Baruna, I know. Army is a very common thing. I think even Wasim Sir's students are called as Wasim Sir's army. Isn't it? So let's go forward. Integration we will do it next week, Sai Bhargav. Okay. So let's move forward, guys. Let's go ahead to the next question. So this is the next one. And please understand, this is not GIF, okay? This is not greatest integer function. This is just a bracket. Okay, don't get confused. Unless they specify in the question, you don't assume anything on your own. This is just a normal bracket. Don't think, sir, it looks like greatest integer function. That is why I put 0. Don't say all that. Now try to solve it. Okay. So this is also an old question. Dia has already answered it. Okay, guys, I'll think about it. You don't worry too much. Right now, focus on the question. JEE Gems. Okay. All of you can become caption artists, I think. You guys are very good at captions. Huh? Hitesh says A, Sonu says B, Saurabh says humongous. Okay. So guys, how do you do this question? Just sum it up, na? The numerator will be what? Okay, the numerator will be... The answer is actually B, guys. So, I think Dia was right. The numerator will be n into n plus 1 by 2. And denominator will be 1 minus n square. And we have to find limit n tending to infinity. So, this is a very common mistake. I think this is n. Okay. So, this is going to be 1 plus 1 by n divided by 2 into 1 by n square minus 1. I divided numerator and denominator by n square. I divided my numerator and denominator by n square, and this is what I have. Now put n as infinity. So this will be 0 and this will be 0. So you'll have the answer as minus 1 by 2. Are you all clear with it? Guys, we have done so many questions like this. You should be ready for this. Okay, you should be ready for such questions. Kiran is saying imposters. My God, imposters means it's bad for you, man. It's a very negative name. Among Us. All of you are up to date with everything that is going on social media, I think. Okay, hi Akhil Reddy, welcome man. So shall we move forward, guys? Let's go ahead. And let's try to tackle this question. This is a very simple one. I'm sure everybody will get it. Everybody will get it. Please do it. Enthusers. Okay. You guys are giving me so many ideas. Yes, guys, I will filter it and I will choose the best one. Don't worry. VSG is absolutely right. Srinidhi is right. Sonu is correct. Yes, yes, you guys are all absolutely right because option C is in fact the right answer. Okay. Option C is in fact the right answer. Yes, Saurabh, but the meaning is the same, right? It is just Hindi word for army, I think. So guys, you don't have to rationalize and all. Just directly divide by x in the numerator and denominator. Okay. So if you divide by x in the numerator and denominator, it will be 1 plus sin x by x by 1 minus cos x by x. So sin x by x and cos x by x both are 0, right? Why it is 0? Because sin x is between minus 1 to 1. And if I divide it by such a large value, it will be 0. Cos x is also between minus 1 to 1. And if I divide it by a very large number, it is again 0. So it will be root of 1 plus 0 by 1 minus 0. So it is just root of 1, which is 1. So that is why option is C, which is the correct one. Are you guys able to understand it? Yep. Yes. Okay. So with that, shall we move ahead? Guys, are you all done? Okay. So please try to solve this question. This is a 30-second question. This is a proper laddu, Kiran Kumar. This is laddu on a plate. So you just have to take it and do it. That's it. Very good, Mohammed. That is awesome. So if you revise, it will be even easy, Mohammed. So try to revise it, put in some effort. You guys will see improvement. Hitesh, it is not C, Hitesh. How can it be C? How can it be C? It cannot be C, guys. Come on. Because 1 to the power infinity is always going to be 1 only, right? So if R is exactly equal to 1, then 1 to the power infinity is always 1 only. It cannot be minus 1. It cannot be 5 by 4. The answer is 4 by 5, guys. Come on, this is a laddu question. It is 4 by 5. See, if R power n is tending to 0, that means modulus of R is less than 1. Okay. We have done this in derivation of GP. Now, what is sum of a GP? Sum of a GP is A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. But sum of infinite GP is what? A into 1 divided by 1 minus R. What happens? This becomes 0. Why does this become 0? Because of the condition modulus of r is less than 1. Why? So let us take half. Let's take half. So what is half power 1? It is 0.5. Half power 2, 0.25. Half power 3, 0.125. Half power 4, 0.0625. 4 powers itself, it became 0.06. If I keep doing till infinity, don't you think it will become almost 0? Did you understand it now? So whenever you have something to the power infinity being almost 0, that means that something is always between -1 to +1. What happens if it is greater than 1? If it is greater than 1, let's say 1.1. 1.1 square is 1.21. 1.1 cube is 1.331. So it keeps increasing. It doesn't decrease. Understood? Understood? Are you guys clear? Everybody? Very good, very good. That's it. Kiran, I will come up, man. Don't worry. That's my homework. Okay? So yeah, with that we are done, guys. I hope all of you had a great time. So if you guys enjoyed the session, definitely check out the crash courses offered by Vedantu, because the crash course will have 10 full tests and 10 part tests. We have 120 sessions. Each session is 1 hour 40 minutes, I guess, and you guys will cover the entire syllabus of physics, chemistry and maths. So if you guys are very interested to do well in your JEE Mains, then this is the crash course you have to aim for. Like I said, it is taught by the best teachers of Vedantu who have more than 5+ years of experience teaching toppers alone. Okay? Yes, this is the crash course. You will get Tattva and all the assignments as part of this. Also, the test series will be provided to you for a price of 8,000 rupees. Guys, this is incredible, because 8,000 for 3 months, your November, December, Jan till Feb, when you write the exam, you guys will have access to this, and even beyond that also you will have. And if you use the coupon code SJCC, you get a flat 20% off. So do it right now, go for it, and let me know if it helped you improve. Okay? Tell us sentences of Hindi. What should I say, man? So this is your Telegram group. Niyaz Ahmad was asking, sir, what is the link? This is the link for the Telegram group. So you guys can use it to join us. And definitely in Enthuse channel, we will do the one-shot series. Yes. Okay. Finally, like, share and subscribe, guys. Definitely like the videos of this channel, not just this one. Even Wasim Sir, Shreyas Sirs, I'm sure they are putting their best effort. And Wasim Sir, even though he's not completely alright, he is coming for you guys with an amazing session at 5:30. So please be a part of it and do spread some love. Okay? Tell this in Hindi only. Telegram group join karo. That's it. Very simple, man, it is. Okay. So let us move forward, guys. We will meet in the next one tomorrow at 4 p.m. Till then, take care, guys. All the very best. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.